In the labyrinth of our daily existence, where chaos and uncertainty often weave the tapestry of our lives, we seek refuge in the wisdom of the ancients. Among the echoes of history, the voice of Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher-emperor, rises with unwavering clarity. His words, though born in a time long past, resonate with timeless truth. As we stand together at the threshold of self-discovery, let us explore the Stoic teachings that guide us toward better days. 1. Embrace the present moment. The Stoics, with Marcus Aurelius at the forefront, understood that the present is the only reality we possess. Confine yourself to the present, he admonished, urging us to anchor our thoughts in the here and now. We often find ourselves shackled by regrets of the past or fears of the future. But it is in the present moment that we wield our power. By embracing this moment, we free ourselves from the tyranny of time, learning to live with intention and purpose. 2. Cultivate inner fortitude. In the face of life's tempests, we discover the strength that resides within us. Marcus Aurelius, in his Meditations, reminds us that the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. This profound insight reveals the essence of Stoic resilience. Challenges rather than obstacles are stepping stones on our path to self-mastery. As we confront adversity, we harness the transformative power of fortitude, emerging stronger with each trial. 3. Master your emotions. Destructive emotions can cloud our judgment and derail our progress. The Stoics teach us that our emotions, though natural, should not govern our actions. It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live. Marcus Aurelius asserts, to live fully, we must rise above fear, anger, and despair. By cultivating self-awareness, we gain control over our emotional landscape, choosing responses that align with our higher values. 4. Align with universal nature. Stoicism encourages us to see ourselves as integral parts of a greater whole. Marcus Aurelius reflects, everything harmonizes with me, which is harmonious to thee, O universe. Nothing for me is too early or too late, which is in due time for thee. This cosmic perspective fosters a sense of belonging and purpose. By aligning our actions with the natural order, we find peace in the knowledge that we are part of a grander design. 5. Practice gratitude. Amidst life's challenges, gratitude illuminates our path. Marcus Aurelius counsels, when you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love. Gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to what we possess, nurturing contentment and joy. As we cultivate this practice, we discover that even in darkness there is light. 6. Seek wisdom in silence. In the noise of modern life, silence becomes a sanctuary. Marcus Aurelius, a ruler burdened with the weight of empire, found solace in introspection. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts, he observed. Through silence, we engage in dialogue with our innermost selves, unearthing insights and wisdom that guide our journey. It is in these moments of quiet reflection that we connect with our true essence. 7. Strive for self-control. The Stoic path demands discipline and self-control. Marcus Aurelius writes, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. By mastering our impulses and desires, we reclaim our autonomy. In a world that often seeks to distract and manipulate, self-control becomes our shield, enabling us to navigate life with integrity and clarity. 8. We walk together. As we absorb the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, let us remember that we are not solitary travelers. We walk this path together, united by a shared quest for self-control and fortitude. In the face of life's challenges, we draw strength from one another, our collective resilience a beacon of hope. In the tapestry of our existence, the teachings of Marcus Aurelius are threads of wisdom that guide us toward better days. By embracing the present, cultivating fortitude, mastering our emotions, aligning with the universe, practicing gratitude, seeking wisdom in silence, and striving for self-control, we unlock the potential within us. Together we embark on this stoic journey, transforming our lives and the world around us. Let us heed the call of the philosopher emperor and strive for a life of virtue and purpose. As we do, we will find that the path to better days begins within.